All right, so today I want to show you guys how to download apps on your iPhone. I'm demoing this on an iPhone 15, but the process is going to be pretty much the same no matter what type of iPhone you have. I will say that Apple is nothing but consistent. I mean, these apps, a lot of them haven't been changed in a while. When this video helps you, if you could consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It's just a really easy way to support what we're doing here. I really appreciate it. So with that, we will dive in. Now, first, what we need to do is open up the App Store. So you can just do a quick search for it or just find the App Store icon inside of the App Store. Once it loads, we are going to be given a bunch of stuff, right? So it's going to show us some sponsored apps. It's going to give us some favorites, and this page is really just a bunch of marketing, to be honest with you. What is more important to us is the search option here, because I'm pretty sure you know which app you want to download, and you will just hit that search icon, come here and search for whatever app it is. So from the search page, let's say that I know that I want to get the Walmart app, for example. I would search the auto fill or auto suggest is going to fill it in for me, and there it is. That's Walmart. Remember, this first listing on everything these days is an ad, so just be aware of that. Scroll down to Walmart. There's a get option here. We'll just tap get, and you'll double click to install. Now, if you want to turn off this double click to install, I'm going to put a link to another video right here on the screen, but we'll just double click here for us. It's going to scan my face. There it is, scanned. And it's going to start the download process. Downloads are usually pretty quick, just 30 seconds to a minute typically. I mean, I guess that all depends on how strong your internet connection or Wi-Fi connection or just signal in general is. You can see that ours is moving here pretty quickly. And there we go. So this app has now been downloaded. I can open it, or I can go back to my home screen, and the last page of apps is going to be where it goes. So I would click this open for the Walmart app, and it'll take me through the onboarding process for that particular app. So that's how we're going to download apps. Now, just a few other things. There are a few icons here. So if you see this cloud with a down arrow, that means that you've downloaded this app one time before, and your phone offloaded it. So you still have an account here, but it's just not holding the data. It's actually up in the cloud, and this is just going to pull it down from the cloud, right? And if it says open here next to it, that means you already have that app. So yeah, that's how you're going to download apps on your phone. Hope it helps.